Hi guys, so I got an order to do 100 knives like this, both 8-inch and 10-inch. What I have to do is I have to brand them for them. So I'm going to walk you through my testing process today. So let's head on over to the laptop and I will show you what I do. So as you can see here, I do already have my test grid set up because I am going to test this knife. Even though I've done my annealing process thousands of times, this is a different kind of stainless steel than what I'm used to. And I am going to do a test grid for my anneal and go from there. These are my settings that I'm going to be using. And I am going to take it out of focus by about 9 millimeters. And now I'm just placing a level on it because I already pre-made a jig, and I'm just going to verify that it is still level. And now I'm just going to frame to make sure that it is exactly where I want this test grid to go. So I'm just going to frame it and make any adjustments I need to keep it where it's supposed to be on the knife. So as you can see, the bottom one is actually the best, which is my normal settings of power 100, speed 100. And I am actually going to do a cross hatch, which I normally do anyways. So I am going to do some testing with that as well. So I'm just going to frame it up again, and I'm going to run this on a cross hatch with those settings. So that actually worked out really well. So now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be running this again, the actual size of what the logo is going to be. Obviously, I have to run it down a little further on the knife, but I just want to verify that the heat process where it's going to be staying on longer isn't going to be changing any coloration that I would be getting on this stainless steel. So I'm just going to frame it up again, and then I will run it one last time before I actually do a practice on the other side of this and one on the other knife that I have available to practice on. So here is the finished product now, and you will see that it's actually came out really well, minus the light glare from it, but it did come out really well. And you can see when I move it in every direction, it is still black all over, except for when I do shine it right into the light, which is a bright light. But it is black from all angles, and the customer loves it. And I will be getting these knives in tomorrow that I have to anneal on all 100 of them. I hope this helps somebody out there. Please give us a follow if you learned something.